For people with end-stage retinitis pigmentosa, today's treatments eventually reach a limit. When the retina has lost nearly all of its photoreceptor cells, many gene therapies and optogenetic treatments may no longer be able to restore vision because they rely on some remaining retinal function. That's where Neuralink's Blindsight takes a completely different approach. Instead of repairing the eye, Blindsight is designed to bypass both the eye and the optic nerve entirely. A tiny camera mounted on a pair of glasses captures the surrounding world. That visual information is processed and transmitted wirelessly to an implant placed in the brain's visual cortex, the area responsible for processing vision. According to Neuralink, the long-term goal is to provide useful visual perception even for people who have completely lost light perception, as long as the visual cortex is still functioning. It's important to set realistic expectations. This technology is not expected to restore natural vision. Early versions are likely to produce simple patterns of light, sometimes described as similar to low-resolution pixel graphics or phosphenes. But even that level of vision could make a meaningful difference. It may help someone identify doorways, avoid obstacles, recognize large objects, and navigate their surroundings more independently. The FDA has already granted Blindsight breakthrough device designation, helping speed its development toward human clinical studies. Neuralink has also opened a patient registry for people interested in future vision restoration trials. While this technology is still experimental, it represents an exciting engineering approach that could complement ongoing biological treatments for blindness. Would you consider a brain implant if it could restore functional vision? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more retinitis pigmentosa updates, and I'll see you in the next video.